High in the mountains of Pakistan, there is a place called Upper Chitral. It is a land of beauty and wonder. The people here live close to nature. They speak their own language and have their own traditions. For centuries, they have guarded the secrets of these mountains. Upper Chitral is a place of peace. The air is clean, and the stars are bright at night. The people here are known for their hospitality. They will welcome you with open arms and a warm smile. The mountains of Upper Chitral are some of the highest in the world. Towering peaks pierce the sky. Some are covered in snow and ice all year round. Deep valleys cut through the landscape. They are carved by rivers that flow down from the glaciers. The mountains are always changing. The wind and the rain shape the rock. Landslides can change the landscape in an instant. But the mountains always endure. They are a symbol of strength and permanence. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way in these mountains. Wildflowers bloom in the meadows. Forests of pine and cedar cling to the slopes. Animals like snow leopards, markhor and ibex make their home here. The people of Upper Chitral live in small villages. They farm the land and raise livestock. They are known for their beautiful handicrafts, such as carpets and shawls. The mountains of Upper Chitral are a precious treasure. They are a source of water for the entire region. They are home to a unique ecosystem. It's important to protect this area for future generations. We must work together to promote sustainable tourism. We must educate others about the importance of conservation. By respecting the mountains and the people who live there, we can help preserve this special place for years to come.